Welcome to an exquisite architectural home in Sydney's lower North Shore. Open the door and step into a world of unparalleled luxury. This architecturally transformed designer masterpiece captures the breathtaking panorama of the Balmoral shoreline, stretching all the way to Manly and out past the Heads. Better than brand new, this meticulously renovated residence offers a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a world-class haven in a picture-perfect setting. From the moment you arrive, be captivated by the stunning entrance. Custom walnut and brass joinery complements the luxurious marble flooring. Backlit onyx panels and designer lighting create a dramatic first impression. The interconnected living spaces seamlessly flow onto the expansive terraces, offering both intimate and grand entertainment options. The chef's kitchen is a dream come true, designed for both everyday enjoyment and grand-scale entertaining. It boasts a plethora of top-of-the-line appliances. A butler's pantry with an additional gas cooktop ensures effortless catering. Ascend to the upper level and be mesmerized by the panoramic views. The expansive master suite boasts an extraordinary vantage point, along with a luxurious ensuite, a walk-in robe, and a private terrace. In total, the mansion offers 6 magnificent bedrooms, each with its own opulent bathroom sanctuary. Descend the grand, hotel-inspired marble staircase to discover a world of entertainment possibilities. The lower level features a heated swimming pool with mosaic tiling and glass bolstering. A versatile rumpus room and casual living area open onto the poolside terrace, serviced by a well-equipped bar/kitchenette. No detail has been overlooked. A multi-station executive home office allows you to stay productive in style, while a separate home gym caters to your health and wellness needs. This is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Imagine waking up to the gentle sound of waves and spending your days exploring the vibrant Mosman village, renowned schools, and all of the delights of Balmoral Beach. This is your chance to secure your forever home in a postcard-perfect setting.